In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Cosby!
I'm Kos, and welcome back to Crafting with Kos if you're ready to do another DIY project. So this project, my goal is to be using some yarn and some rope to create some cute abstract wall art. I'm going to be trying to use a couple of the canvases to create like a cute face abstract you've probably been seeing in different places. I've been seeing them like at Target, and then I also kind of got a sweatshirt that has a cute abstract print on it. So if you want to see how these wall art pieces turn out, let's go ahead and let's get right started. So here I have pictured all of the materials that I used for both of the rope and yarn canvases. So at some craft stores, you can already purchase a black canvas, but I decided to just go ahead and get this 2-pack and paint this first canvas in all black acrylic paint. After I got a good black acrylic coat on the front and sides of the canvas, then I started to do the abstract art using my glue gun and some of the rope from the Dollar Tree. And this was really easy to do. I used one of the Inspo pieces from one of the Target pillow collections, and I will link it in the description box below so you can check it out as well. And then after I got everything glued down, then I had to start kind of removing some of those glue strings out the way. For the second canvas, I wanted to give the look of a woven wall hanging, but trying to do it a little easier with using the canvas as a base. And I basically just alternated using some rope and some yarn as I completely covered the entire canvas. So I thought that this is going to be a pretty easy process, which it is an easy process. It's just really time consuming. So if you happen to have a lot of time on your hands, then this is the perfect project for you, because you basically have to make sure that you're covering the entire white canvas so you can't really see any of the white with the yarn and the rope. And I'm just randomly picking colors to go back and forth on the canvas to give it like a woven look. And then I decided to add some more texture to the canvases by adding some rows of tassels. And I've used this technique previously in some of my other projects, and I just decided to add it to the canvas as well.
Perfect.
And after I got the entire canvas covered, then I went through and tried to cover up some of the white pieces with some more yarn. But some of the places I kind of left white because I thought it broke up some of the color. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.